So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change data sharing settings on Zoho CRM. So for that, first of all you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search for Zoho CRM. Now guys, you have to select the first website and now log into your account right here and then click on this profile picture icon and select this access Zoho CRM. Select the settings icon. Select the security control option, select data sharing settings, and now you can see this option right here called edit all default permissions. Now click on this and you can change your all of the default organization permissions from private to public, read, write, delete. You can change any of these however you like, and after customizing your data sharing settings, you just need to click on this button right here, which is called save, and after that you have successfully changed your data sharing settings on Zoho CRM. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more future videos, and thanks for watching.